The Hermes Reversible and Kelly belt are among the most exclusive and they are expensive. Should you get one? Should you get both? Let's talk about that. Welcome to Lifestyle with Isabella, ladies. On this channel, I have videos on reliable advice for more beauty, more confidence, and a better you. Up until a few weeks ago, my belt collection consisted of inexpensive belts I would get on Amazon. I haven't been a belt person in the past. I did not want to put too much money into belts until I was certain I will wear them. I can't stand it when I spend money on something, and especially if it's something fairly expensive and it just sits in my closet gathering dust. Last spring, I made the bold decision not to wear pants anymore because I hate pants and I love dresses. Then winter came and I started to stock up on sweater dresses. I quickly noticed an outfit looks more finished when I wear a sweater dress if I put a belt with the sweater dress. I was like, okay, I can spend more money now on belts. I love Chanel, but I wanted to try a different luxury designer, and the only other luxury designer I believe it's worth spending money on is Hermes. So I was ready to buy some Hermes belts. I knew I wanted to buy the reversible belt because it's such a staple in the Hermes collection. The reversible belt costs from $700 to $900 some depending on which buckle you choose. I paid $700 some on this belt strap with this buckle. The reversible belt comes in different sizes. Mine is size 75. I like the different size options. Notice how clean and elegant the back of the belt looks, but the downside is if we gain weight, we may not be able to wear the belt. The best thing about the reversible belt is its versatility. The versatility, it's right in the name. It's called the reversible belt. You can wear it on this color or this color. Moreover, the reversible belt detaches from the buckle, so you can wear the strap with whichever buckle you want. Each time you put a new buckle, it's like you have a brand new belt. It is awesome. The main drawback of the reversible belt comes from the fact that it's so versatile. Each time you reverse the belt to wear it, depending on which color you want, you bend the belt in different directions, so the strap is not going to be as durable and is not going to keep its structure. Each time you change the color on which you want to wear the belt, you have to keep reversing the buckle. So you're going to wear this hole where the buckle clips in fairly quickly. Each time you undo the buckle, you're gonna wear this section of the belt again, and each time you put a new buckle with your strap, again, you're going to wear the belt out quicker. Despite the disadvantages of the reversible belt, I knew I wanted one, and while the essay went in the back to get the belt I wanted, I looked up at the belt display and I noticed the Kelly belt. As soon as I saw it, the word elegant came to mind. I love the clean, elegant front of the Kelly belt. We don't have a strap being tucked here to the side because the Kelly belt comes only in one size. It adjusts here in the back. The front looks clean and elegant, and because this belt comes in one size, it's adjustable. If we gain weight, we can keep wearing this belt irregardless. That being said, the one thing I don't like about the Kelly belt is the fact that it adjusts in the back for two reasons. One, notice the gap between the two straps that are in the back of the belt. It is very hard, even when I put the belt on, as you can see in the outfit, to get the straps to lay really flat. So I'm constantly checking my belt in the back. I'm a bit self-aware of the belt because I don't want the belt to stick out. Because the belt adjusts in the back, it looks bulkier than the reversible belt, and I don't don't like that bulky look when I wear the Kelly belt with a sweater dress that's the fabric is slim. If I wear the Kelly belt with a chunkier sweater dress, it looks beautiful. The chunkier back of the belt doesn't bother me. If you're looking for versatility, the Kelly belt is not the right belt for you because it's one belt with one buckle and one collar. Also, the Kelly belt is more expensive than most of the reversible belts. I believe this one I paid $960. The best thing about the Kelly belt, this belt is very durable. Unlike the reversible belt that we keep bending in different directions and changing the buckles, the Kelly belt, it's only worn one way and only has one buckle. If you want to make sure the Kelly belt will last you as long as you can, I recommend putting the covers over each side of the buckle so the buckles don't scratch by touching each other. I love the reversible belt even though it's not going to be as durable. I also love the beautiful, elegant front of the Kelly belt. However, I wished I paid more attention to the bulky back of the Kelly belt because at this point I'm only wearing the Kelly belt with chunky sweater dresses, which means this Kelly belt sits in my closet gathering dust most of the time, which is exactly what I didn't want to happen. I'm hoping in time the leather will not be as rigid and then I will wear it more often. Speaking of leather, if you have an interest in Chanel handbags, you know that it's so important to buy the handbag in the right leather, lambskin or the Caviar finish leathers. I have a video right here explaining why you may never buy another lambskin Chanel again. I'll see you in that video, ladies.